Most people think they are bad at saving money because they are lazy or undisciplined. That is simply not true. The real reason is much more uncomfortable. Your brain is wired against saving money. If saving money feels hard, it doesn't mean something is wrong with you. It means you are human. For decades, psychologists and economists have studied how people make financial decisions, and they found something uncomfortable. Our brains are amazing at survival, but terrible at long term money planning. The first reason people struggle to save money is something called present bias. In simple terms, your brain cares much more about now than later. Spending money gives you instant pleasure. Saving money gives you a future reward that feels distant and abstract. So when you choose between buying something today or saving for the future, your brain almost always chooses today. Economists have shown that people consistently prefer a smaller reward now over a bigger reward later. It's not because they're irrational, it's because the future doesn't feel real to the brain. Here is the second problem. Saving money feels like a loss. When you spend money, you gain something tangible, something you can touch. When you save money, you gain, well, nothing you can touch. Psychologists call this loss aversion. Losses hurt about twice as much as gains feel good. So when you move money into savings, your brain experiences it as a pain, not progress. That's why saving feels restrictive, even though it's objectively good for you. The third reason is something called mental accounting. Your brain treats money differently depending on where it comes from. Your salary feels serious. A bonus feels like a free money. Cashback feels like it doesn't even count. But here is the truth. Money is money. Your brain just creates imaginary labels that make spending easier and saving harder. Even if your brain worked perfectly, you still struggle to save because the environment around you is designed for spending, not saving. Spending money takes one click. Saving money takes effort, planning, and discipline. Behavioral studies show that even small amounts of friction change behavior drastically. So when spending is frictionless and saving is complicated, the outcome is predictable. There is one more factor people don't talk about enough: stress. When people are stressed about money, their brains shift into survival mode. A long term planning shuts down. That's why people under financial pressure often make worse financial decisions. You don't plan for the future when you are worried about today. So, what works if your brain is the problem? You stop relying on willpower. Instead, you design your environment so saving happens automatically. Automate your savings. Save first, spend what's left. Remove friction from saving and add friction to spending. That isn't about motivation, it is about design. If saving money feels hard, it doesn't mean you're bad with money. It means you are human. And once you understand how your brain works, you can finally work with it, not against it. If you want more simple explanations like this, subscribe and tap the bell. See you all in my next video.